Hello guys, today we are going to start a new chapter, subsidiary books for class 11 accountancy. Now what is subsidiary book? Journal is subdivided in books of original entry. Mean when the size of business is large, there are so many transactions at that time, we prepare some books of original entry. These are, the first one is cash book, the second one is purchase book, the third one is sales book, and the fourth one is purchase return book, or you can say return outwards book. It is also known as return outwards book. And the next one is sales return book. That book is called return inwards. Return inwards book. And the last one is journal proper. When the business size is large, so it's not easy to maintain all the transaction in a single book journal. At that time, journal is subdivided into books of original entry, cash book, purchase book, sale book, purchase return book, sales return book, and journal proper. Cash book, we have already done this chapter. It is prepared to record the cash receipts and cash payments. पैसे का आना, पैसे का जाना. That time cash book is prepared. Purchase book to keep the record of credit transaction, credit purchase of goods. Sales book, credit sales of goods. And then purchase return book to record the return goods of purchased. Previously we have purchased on credit. Sales return book to keep the record of credits goods return made by the customer, and journal proper. If all the books, those transactions are not recorded in above books, that are recorded in journal proper. Cash book we have already done. Today we will discuss how to prepare purchase book. Let's have a look of subdivision of journal. It is divided into two parts. First you can see subsidiary book. The books of original entry means subsidiary books. The other one is journal proper. How many subsidiary books are there? 5. First one is cash book. And the second one is purchase book. And the third one is sales book, purchase return book, and the next one is sales return book. Okay, subsidiary books are there. Cash book we have already done. Today we are going to start purchase book. While we are preparing purchase book, that items which are not recorded in purchase book, not recorded in purchase book. First one is cash purchases. Cash purchases are not recorded in purchase book. In purchase book, only credit purchase of goods are recorded. Cash purchases are recorded in cash book. So cash purchases are not taken in purchase book. The second one, purchase of assets. Purchase of assets is also not taken in purchase book. In purchase book, only credit purchase of goods, only credit purchase of goods are taken, not assets. परचेज बुक में ना हम कैश परचेजेस को लेते हैं, ना ही हम परचेज ऑफ एसेट्स को लेते हैं. थर्ड वन, रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ ट्रांजेक्शंस. On the basis of source document, these transactions are recorded. These source documents are invoice or bill. What is this? These are source document. On basis, these transactions are recorded in purchase book. Invoice or bill, some source document. So these things are kept in mind while we are preparing the purchase book. Now, what is the format of purchase book? There is a format of purchase book. How to prepare purchase book? First column is related to date. First column is date. Then the next one is particulars. You can see name of supplier. First date, then particulars, then invoice number is there. You can see bill number, then ledger folio is there. Mean the page number of the ledger on where the transaction is recorded या posted to the purchase book. Then again there is a column of detail. Then there is a column of purchase. Then there is a column of input CGST. Then there is a column of input SGST. Then there is a column of input IGST. Then last column is related to total amount. Now we will understand one by one. Date of the transaction on which we have purchased the goods on credit. Date column is there. Particular mean name of supplier from which we have purchased the goods on credit. Then invoice number, bill number is there. Ledger folio, page number of the ledger. Then detail. Detail mean total amount of the number of items from a particular supplier. तो particular एक supplier से हमने जितनी goods ली है उसकी डिटेल हम यहाँ लिखेंगे. Purchases mean net purchase. Net purchase mean परचेज में से हम लोग पेड डिस्काउंट की अमाउंट को लेस करके उसको हम शो करते हैं. देन व्हाट इज इनपुट सीजीएसटी. इनपुट सीजीएसटी मीन टैक्स पेड ऑन द परचेज ऑफ गुड्स व्हेन वी मेक द इंट्रा स्टेट विद इन द सेम स्टेट. दैट टाइम वी पे इनपुट सीजीएसटी एंड इनपुट एसजीएसटी. एंड इनपुट आईजीएसटी मीन व्हेन वी मेक द बिजनेस interstate mean one state to another state. That time we pay IGST. Then total amount is there. This is all about purchase book. This is the format of purchase book. CGST and SGST mean intrastate within the same state, and IGST when interstate from one state to another state. So either you can say either CGST और SG विल बी लाइव्ड ऑन द गुड्स और IGST दोनों में से एक टैक्स हमें पे करना होगा, या तो हम CGST SG पे करेंगे या IGST पे करेंगे. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टेक एन एग्जांपल टू अंडरस्टैंड इट बेटर. नाउ वी आर format will be the same. We are going to take the Pawan electric store. We write here there is a shop of Pawan electric store. Now we have prepared the purchase book of Pawan electric store. Now you can see date April 6. Okay, invoice number is there 418. We have purchased the goods from Surya Electric Store. हमने सूर्या इलेक्ट्रिक स्टोर से गुड्स परचेज की हैं. यू कैन से 40 ट्यूब लाइट्स ऑफ ₹500 each and 15 table fans of ₹2000 each. Trade discount is 20% and CGST and SGST is 6%. Like down there, CGST और SG का रेट 6% है. हमने गुड्स परचेज की है. बिल नंबर इज गिवन देयर. इट्स मीन इट इज ऑन क्रेडिट. तो इनवॉइस नंबर विल बी पुट हियर 418. फर्स्ट वी राइट द नेम ऑफ द सप्लायर. Date April 6, Surya Electric Store. Now what we have purchased? 40 tube lights of 500 each. 40 tube lights 500 each means we have purchased of rupees detail we will write here ₹20,000. Again 15 table fans of rupees by which amount? By ₹2,000. So 15 into 2,000 mean 30,000 is there. Total is there 50,000. Now first we make the trade discount less. We will less trade discount. By which amount? 20%. 50,000 का 20% is 10,000 is there. Now we will write the amount in purchases. 50,000 की गुड्स परचेज की है. 10,000 ट्रेड डिस्काउंट है, तो परचेज वैल्यू इज 40,000. नाउ वी विल एड CGST 6% and SGST 6%. 40,000 का 6% 2,400. 2,400. So what will be the total amount? 44,800. Now try to understand. First we will take the amount, then second step we will less the trade discount, then after trade discount we will write down tax IGST or CGST or SGST, then we will write the total amount. Now if we take the April 10, you write the any 520 bill number is there 520. New traders, सेकेंड सप्लायर नेम इज न्यू ट्रेडर्स कंपनी. अब हमने न्यू ट्रेडर कंपनी से क्या क्या खरीदा है? यू कैन से टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ 600 डजन बल्ब्स ऑफ ₹100 डजन ईच. बल्ब परचेज किए हैं हमने. देन 100 टेबल फैंस ऑफ ₹2,000 ईच. And trade discount is there 25%. अब हमने बल्ब्स और फैन परचेज किए हैं. बिल नंबर इज देयर. इट्स मीन दीज आर द क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन. फर्स्ट वी विल टेक राइट द नेम ऑफ द सप्लायर, न्यू ट्रेडर कंपनी. फर्स्ट वी टेक देन 600 और 100 है, तो मीन्स 60,000 is there. The second one we have purchased the 100 table fan of 2,000. 2000 each है, it's mean 20,000 is there. Total is 80,000. First we will make the trade discount. Less करेंगे trade discount. Trade discount is 25%. 25% means 20,000 is there. Then 60,000. Now tax rate is 6, CGST and SGST 6% is there. 3,600. 3,600. Total is 67,200. Now we will take the another example. If there is any cash transaction, take an example. We have purchased 100 table fans of rupees 500 each for cash. That time these transactions are not taken. Cash transactions are not taken in purchase book. Only credit transactions are taken in purchase book. If taken another example, we have purchased a furniture of rupees 20,000. We have purchased furniture. Furniture is an asset. So these items also will be not recorded, not taken in purchase book. Cash transactions and purchase of assets are not taken in purchase book. Now we will make the total of it. What is the total? 1,12,000. This is all about the purchase book. We have only taken the credit purchase of goods. Then we will make the proper format. At the end we will make the total. So this is all about purchase book. Goodbye.